she get slapped. And then bitch from my man. About to play with these bands. About to play with these bands.
Hey, yo, what is up? Welcome back to Drip Galore. This is the official welcome back video. I plan to make the welcome back video for the month of January. I filmed everything, started editing, and the hard drive on the PC that I used to edit crashed. Literally, the video was done, ready to be put out. I was just color correcting and everything was lost on that. I had to redo it for this month. The reason why it took me so long to put content out, or the reason why I went a while without making anything, was because, you know, there were certain things that I had to make sure were right. You know, certain things I was dealing with, personal growth, and making sure that I am officially back in making content and putting stuff out. Make sure I'm giving it my 100% and making sure I was completely focused and putting my everything into it to make it as good as it could possibly be. There were some pieces that I just couldn't leave out. There were brands that were making their debut on the show. Those select pieces are going to be included for this month's video. They're obviously already opened, so I'm just gonna, you know, just give a quick little run through, try on just a couple of them, not all of them. Wait is finally over. I've gone through some changes in the past year. You know, I had a little beard growing. You know, nothing OD. Thank you. I do look good though. Let's get right into it. The first item is a hoodie from Ape by Bathing Ape. Ape is basically a sub-brand of Bathing Ape. Just like how Fear of God has essentials, Bathing Ape as Ape, and it's basically the same thing. It's a third of the price, very affordable alternative to Bape itself. If you want some Bape pieces and, you know, don't want to spend that amount of money on it, yeah, Ape is a great stop. You know how much Bape hoodies go for. This is literally like the same feel, the same look for a third of the price, which is a bargain. It is a reversible hoodie. This is the camo side. I'll show you the black side in a bit. It's a very fitted hoodie, toned down on the oversized look a little bit. I wanted a zip-up hoodie, and I needed something that would be a lot more fitted on me, so, you know, I can wear like a calm t-shirt under it. You know, it wouldn't look too big on me. This is a US size, so I got a small. Right there, it has the Ape skull and bones right there, and in the camo, if you pay close attention, you can see the Ape faces in there, and it does have hoodie pockets on this side and the other side. It has the Ape patch right there. On the hood, it says Ape Universe on the hood. Fire detail also says Ape Universe abbreviated right there. On this side, it has fire hoodie, 100%. I really like the way this looks. Now let me show you guys the black side. It's gonna take a while. I gotta literally, yeah. And what's fire about this is that's two fits in one hoodie, which is, for me, for the price that I got this for, it's a pretty sweet deal. I don't really like to talk about how much items cost, but if you guys do want to know how much I spend, let me know in the comments. And now we have the black side. On the hood, it just has the Ape face on the hood. It has the Ape logo right there. Has two patches on the sleeve and also on the camo side. I forgot to show that. And then two apes right there holding the spear. Again, Ape patch right there. Hoodie strings right here with metal tips that says Ape on them and has Ape by Bathing Ape written all over that. Ape Universe on this side, and on the back it has another Ape logo right back there. It's also very warm. It's actually a very heavy hoodie. It looks really good when I wear it and leave it open, but when I zip it up, it's a little too snug. If you want something that's fitted, true size, definitely buy your original size. But if you're looking for more of a loose feel to the hoodie, want a little more space in there, I suggest buying a size up. Yeah, Ape by Bathing Ape. This brand really isn't making a debut because, you know, I've had multiple Bape pieces over here. So yeah, that's that. Hope you guys liked it. Let's go to the next item. And now this next item, I've been waiting since probably the summer of 2021. They weren't really available in the US, and they were in very like select retail sites, and on the brand site itself, they weren't shipping to the US at the time. So I had to wait. The wait's finally over. They ended up on Farfetch. I'm excited to show you guys this. I'm putting you guys on to something new. Let's just get right into it. It's also a hoodie. The brand is called GCDS, and that means God Can't Destroy Streetwear. I've been waiting a very, very, very long time to get a piece from here. So for my first piece, I am like mind blown. I'm very happy I got this. I wish you guys saw my reaction when I was first unboxing this. It was just pure. It's cut for a very loose fit. I bought an extra small and it still fits pretty big. Even though it's cut for a loose fit and it does fit pretty big, I like the way it looks when I put it on. So I'm not too mad about that. The design on here is, the texture is pretty nice. Printed on here, it goes literally all around, all about the sleeves, the back, even through the hoodie pockets. This is called the GCDS chain link hoodie. So if you wanna go buy it, it's on Farfetch. I got this in January, so I don't know if it's sold out or not, but it was on sale when I bought this, so it really didn't hurt me that much. On the hoodie strings, has a little metal thing right here that says GCDS on it, and on this little silver thing right here, it says God Can't Destroy Streetwear right there. It says GCDS again on the hoodie. It has another detail right here, a little tag that says GCDS metal. All around great piece. I'm really happy for this to be my first piece of the brand. Obviously this is a long time overdue, and obviously this is going to become a regular on this channel because, you know, we're here for the drippy stuff, you feel me? We're here for the fly stuff. So this is as fly as it gets. I'm gonna show you guys what it fits like, because I really like this hoodie. Hope you guys like it, and let's try it on. Here is the GCDS chain link print hoodie, cut loose, so it is a very loose fitting hoodie. Even though this is an extra small, looks like an extra large. I mean, there's nothing I actually could have done here, but I like the length of it. Torso wise, ends right there perfectly. The sleeve is pretty big, so I won't be able to wear like a jacket over this. I'm gonna be just styling this by itself. The black on gold color design is just what's like really doing it for me. I really like the way this thing looks on me. So yeah, here it is. That was the GCDS chain link hoodie, 5-piece. Obviously, it's getting up there for me, even though this is my first piece. And now on to the next item. This item actually was gonna be an item for this month. But I don't know what happened. I lost the baggie that it comes in, so I'm just gonna show you as it is. Essentials crew neck from the Nick collection. They dropped, I think October of last year. Might have been even farther back before that. I've been really been wanting a piece from this collection. I really wanted the hoodie from there, but I couldn't find any of the hoodies for a reasonable price. Crew neck was the next best option. You know, this is so soft. Like, I don't even want to make it seem like I'm dragging, but this is so soft and cozy. Like, it feels really soft, and it looks warm too. So yeah, I got a small. I didn't get an extra small, even though, you know how Essential fits. You don't want a crew neck to be, you know, too tight. You want it to have a little leeway, a little bit of space, you know, for the cozy look. You feel me? So nothing too OD. You feel me? The Essentials logo is actually knit into the sweater. That's a dope detail. And then obviously the Essentials tag in the back. One dope thing about this is that it's knit with 2 different colors, so it's the oatmeal and black. And no, we're not gonna call it brown or beige. Fear of God calls it oatmeal, so we're gonna call it oatmeal. So yeah, there it is. So on to the next item. This item too is also making its debut. I'm not gonna tell you what brand it is yet. It's gonna take a lot, not take a lot, but it's gonna take a little while before you see exactly where it's from. First piece from here. I've also been waiting a while to get something from here too. I'm gonna give you a hint. They just did a collab with Moncler, and they got some fire stuff over there. And unfortunately, that's way above my pay grade, so I can't even touch anything of that. But I was shopping for an overshirt. I was like, I might as well get something from this brand since I don't have anything from it. It was on sale, so thank God. Just the receipt in there. I got this from a site called Rise. That's what it's called. This took a while to get here because it came all the way from Australia. With that being said, yeah, let's just take a look at it. To get this on the site, it said it was cut for a loose fit. Sold out in the extra small, so I got a small. So I hope it isn't too big because I'm gonna be upset. So yeah, let's get right into it. You know, a little flannel pattern to it, and the brand is, no, you got it wrong. It's Palm Angels. I know you didn't guess it. This isn't really a heavy jacket. It's actually pretty light. It looks like it might be a little big in the arms. The arms look pretty huge. You see that? Yeah, it looks like there's a lot more space over here. I was looking for something, you know, like white or black or both, black and white. And then I decided on this. I don't have a lot of light jackets. This was a good choice in my opinion. I hope I like it when I try it on. Off first look, it does look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, the Palm Angels logo in the back, fire. Nothing too crazy about it. Palm Angels tag in here. Some stuff in here. Tag also over there. The ends of the sleeves are like distressed, like that, as you can see, and also the end of the jacket itself too is like distressed, which is a fire detail. Apparently this garment is handcrafted. It's unique and different to the rest. There's gonna be possible irregularities are not to be considered as flaws. That's tough. Okay, so I guess that's the look they went for and they pulled it off. So shout out Palm Angels for that. They just, it closes by buttons and it's like concealed behind this, which is fire. This is it when it opens up. It's a pretty big jacket. I'm not gonna lie, I think this might be a little big. I know everybody's usual first Palm Angels piece is usually the tracksuit, but for a jacket and the price that I got this for, I definitely take it. Yeah, let's try this guy out. This is the Palm Angels overshirt. Don't really know how I feel about the fit of it. It is cut for a very loose fit. It looks almost a little bit too loose. This is with a hoodie underneath and it still looks pretty big, so I might have to style this very oversized. Apart from that, the look is clean. Here it is. So there it was. That was the Palm Angels overshirt, and I think that might be the only thing that I have that will fit over the GCDS hoodie. So that might be a pair that you're probably gonna see. Onto the next item. Next item here is a pair of sneakers. The last two items actually. Here we go. When these were dropping, at first I was like, I don't really want them. While they were dropping, I was like, nah, okay, I actually need a pair. And then I tried to get a pair and didn't get a pair. I was probably the only person in like the whole world that actually wanted a pair and didn't touch. Comes with yellow laces in here. Nothing OD. So I don't know if you guessed the colorway by now, but these are just fire. 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 Fire pair of sneakers. These are beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful feet. The tongue usually comes sewed down like that, which is ugly. So I removed the stitching and put them up. Let's just go ahead and talk about these a little bit. Comes with suede all around. This suede is a little bit more rough than the usual Jordan 4s. The toe box, mad soft. So I feel like it's gonna make these really comfortable, and that's the same material that is used around the ankle area. I don't know what this thing is called, but I like how it's clear over there, and I like how there's a hot pink over here and white down there. Very good color combo. The midsole The little faded yellow color is fire, and of course the Union LA tag right there. These have been on my wish list for a very long time, and finally decided to do it. I feel like it's a great cop. Like, you guys gotta understand, for a sneaker like this is like a trophy sneaker. For the sake of content and for the sake of this channel, I unds Beastie sneaker just for you, just for you guys, like just for you. So just appreciate that. Just take a moment, you know, just think about it, be like, wow, like that's love right there. Let's try it on. So here are the Union 4s. I really like the way these feel on my feet. I really like the way they look on my feet. Here's what it looks like with the tongue sewed down, and this is what it looks like up. So you guys let me know what you feel is a better look. But yeah, here it is. And now, on to the last item. This I've had since my birthday. Haven't touched, haven't tried them on. Just to show you guys. I'm pretty sure you can already guess what kind of sneakers these are. I said I was gonna build the entire collection of these, and second pair in I think 2 years. That's off to a good start. Let's get right into it. These are Nike Air Fear of Gods, Air Fear of God ones. I think my next pair might be the shoot-arounds. I don't know if you guys know what the shoot-arounds are. The shoot-arounds are basically the Air Fear of God ones, but without the cages. I'll show you what the cages are. The bag that usually has the little lace charms was ripped. They just scattered all up in the box. I've already put one on the sneaker already. That's just because that's how I wanted to, you know, show it. 2 different laces, Sail and Oatmeal. This colorway is called The Question. And here it is. Very similar to the Oatmeals that I have already. Yeah, the shoot-arounds don't have this thing right here. Oatmeal down here, and then black at the top, black laces. Zipper is also black. The swoosh is black right here. Everything else about the sneaker is the same. I put the lace charm on here because that's fire. It comes with black and salmon ones right there. And then, of course, the Fear of God little charm over there. Every time I just even touch like this sneaker or just look at it, I'm always amazed and always mind blown about how just crazy and fire these are. A sneaker, well, I'll always say ahead of its time. This is the most unique. Like, nobody has done anything like this, and the fact that there's not any more of these are gonna be made is crazy to me. I'm definitely gonna stock up because Jerry Lorenzo is not with Nike anymore. He's over at Adidas, and I'm actually looking forward to the stuff that him and Adidas are working on. But yeah, there it is. Nike Air Fear of God, The Questions. So yeah, let's go ahead and unds these. Yeah, let's try them on, see what they look like. Here they are. These are the Air Fear of Gods. I actually think I like these more than the Oatmeal because of the black color that's on here too. I feel like these ones I could probably wear a lot more often than the Oatmeals, so I might have to. I'm definitely gonna be breaking these ones in. So yeah, here it is. That was the last item, Air Fear of Gods. We already know how it goes. Crazy pair of sneakers. The only downside to this pair of sneakers is how tough it is to take those off and put them on. It's mad work. I'm not gonna cap. It's so much work. Once again, welcome back. Really does feel good to do this again. I don't know why I stayed away for so long. You're probably gonna get tired of like seeing me, how much stuff I had planned for this channel. Like and subscribe. It's going to help the channel grow. Comment down below your favorite piece. Back better than ever, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Of course, don't forget, stay drippy, my friends.